hello beautiful souls. It is our favorite time of the year, me and Love's favorite time of the year, Christmas time. And it is finally time to put up our tree. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm gonna take you step by step of like decorations, lights, tree topper, how to put everything together in a small area. This is basically my gym. I have my workout equipment, my office, my desk is over here, my living space, my lounge area. And so we're going to be moving stuff around and we are so excited. So are you ready? You ready, love?
Yeah.
So let's start. Hello beautiful people. My name is Candace and what's your name? Princess Love, and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw them hearts, including you. So now it is time to pick the perfect placement for your tree. It's very important when looking for the perfect place that you find a place that's open. So I chose the place where my workout from home gym was, so I moved everything. It's important that I could see the tree from all angles. So I'll be able to see the tree from my kitchen, my bedroom, my bathroom. So I'm waking up fresh in the morning and soaking in all of that festive love. Yes, that holiday love. So my tree is gonna be living its best life. So now it's time to put up the tree. Which tree do you like the best? A real tree or a fake tree? Me personally, I love both. It's nothing better than the real deal, right? It's nothing better than the real deal. But I like a good deal as well. So this, thank you. Okay, that's enough. And this tree I've had for 3 years, and I think I want to say I got it for like 40 bucks. I got this tree for a really good deal. This tree is 6 foot tall, and this is the display tree that they had on display. I actually got this at Walmart, and they were all out of the tree, and the manager was the one that was helping me. And so he said, how about I give it to you for half the price, $45? And then I said, no, 35. Then he said 40, and then I said, deal. You guys, you could talk down anywhere, the gift of gab, you know what I'm saying? So when first buying a tree, it comes all scrunched together like this one, and I'm about to put it right on top of there. And then you have to open each piece and spread it all out to make your tree full. So I'm gonna do this to the whole tree. And when opening this tree, making it super full, I always start at the bottom and then work my way up, making it full from the bottom to the top. So it's done, it's open, not bad for like a $35 Christmas tree. So now it's time to do the lights. You guys, you know, I keep all those bags, you know, whenever you get anything and it's wrapped in a plastic bag. So I reuse them and put my lights in them. And these are, I wanna say LED lights, I'll pop them up. These are amazing lights. And they switch colors. You guys will see in a second. And you guys, I wanted to show you my Christmas tree bag. This is what I keep it in, and this is what keeps it so nice. So if you do have a reusable Christmas tree, definitely invest in one of those bags. So when putting your lights on the Christmas tree, I like to start from the top to the bottom, only because the plug is at the bottom of the wall. So it's like, you have to get a stitching cord to go to the top of your tree. So you guys, do you guys like trees with the lights already attached to them, or a tree without any lights on them? Me personally, I learned to like trees without the lights on them, because what I learned is that the lights always go out. So I feel like that it's a great investment just to invest in a tree without lights and buy your lights separately, because if your lights go out, then you got to learn how to fix it. Or I've saw people as well just add lights on top of their lights on a tree, you know. So I feel like it's just better not to have it and just to add to it, and if you need more, then you could buy more. So now let's light this tree up. It's important to tuck all of your lights inside of your tree so they'll be like tucked in there. Now look at that tree. It is shining bright, shining bright. So now it is time to put the ornaments on the tree. But first, let's take a short little trip to Target and Walmart to see what they have. Target, it is nighttime, you guys, but I'm still going to get my goodies. You guys, I am so excited. I'm getting me some Christmas stuff. Is there some Christmas stuff? Let's see. You guys, they have like a whole little setup of like wreaths, stockings, all these Christmas candles. I'm loving it. Let's go. Let's find the Christmas tree. Christmas stuff for the animals, for dogs. Look at this. Oh my God, if only I had a dog. Gotta get Love one of these gingerbread cookie houses. Which one should I get her? You guys, it is October the 11th, and so it's really early. I'm about to put up my tree really early this year. So look, they don't have a lot out, but they do have, they actually do. It seems like they're still getting it together though. Look at all this. These are stocking holders. They have a whole bunch. Tree skirts. And look, rows and rows of wrapping paper. For all the people with kids like me, my daughter loves Little Mermaid. I have that one already. Ugly Christmas sweater. Donuts, cake, chips, jalapenos, burgers, and french fries, and bacon. Favorite, I love tacos. Apple, pineapple, pots and pans. Tequila. OMG, look at that. Gingerbread man, a heart. Lord, all is bright. This is so nice. So I am leaving Target now. Yay! It's time to turn up. Look where I'm at now. Walmart. They didn't have everything I needed at Target, so let's see what I get here. Turn up, turn up. Let's see. You guys, am I just early to the game of like putting up your Christmas tree? What is the dilly? Yeah, I'm ready. I'm okay, I'm not waiting. Everybody wanna wait until 10 days right after Thanksgiving. No, now. I'm ready to feel my Christmas spirit now. Okay, you guys, I think I found the Go Pot. So they have a whole bunch of stuff in the back. Let me show you. This is all the ornaments. Angel wings, that is so nice. Who would want that? You. Letter to Santa, that's cute. Look, I hit the jackpot. Look at that tree so tall. I love Christmas because it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at this tree. Look how big this tree behind me is. $75, can't beat that price. You guys, look at the reindeer. $100, so nice. You guys, I really don't care for Walmart. That's why I went to Target. They really ain't got nothing here. They ain't got nothing at both, really. But I like Target's quality better. Like their stuff, like their stockings and like their ornaments, but like.
So you guys want to get home?
So this is what I got from Target. You guys, I have tons of ornaments already. I just added to my ornament collection. And this is what I got from Walmart. These are like fillers for the tree to like fill up the empty holes. Now that we got all the ornaments together, we're gonna fill this tree up front and back. Fill it up, as well as we're gonna put all the nice and shiny ones in the front. Ornaments are put on the tree, and now it's time to put the tree skirt on the tree. And so the tree skirt covers up this like the metal piece down there, and it pulls everything together and make your tree look elegant and fancy. You know, we like things fancy. Fancy. So let's put the tree skirt on. So last but not least, let's top our tree. What's your favorite topper for your tree? I like the star, but you could top your tree with a bow, an angel, anything you like, you know what I'm saying? But the topper set the tree off, you know what I'm saying? It's off. So let's top this tree.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. It's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So family, since we're getting close with each other and getting a little personal, I just wanted to give you like a little bitty Christmas tree tour because my ornaments are very sentimental to me and mean the world. So let me just give you a little tour. So right here, I have a weight. I don't know if you can see it. And this symbolizes like my weight loss journey, you know, of me exercising and losing the weight. And then right here, I have a little unicorn because my princess loves unicorns. And then right here, I have Spider-Man hanging in there. And if you did not know, I have a 15-year-old son who is absolutely in love with Spider-Man since he was a little bitty boy. I know you guys saw my crown. I absolutely love that crown. It is gorgeous. I have stockings for everybody on my tree besides putting them up on a wall. So that's another like space saver. Like you just put them on your tree and like you can put like little bitty knickknacks in here, like, you know, watch, candy, money, anything you want in there. You guys, look, one of my favorites, a mermaid. And right here, I have a little yoga mat. When I saw that, I just had to get it. And then I have a little ballerina shoe right there because my daughter does ballet and absolutely love it. Then I have a lot of sentimental pictures on this tree, like right here and right here. And then right here, I have a pineapple because it symbolizes like my locks. If you don't know, I have dreadlocks. I'm locked and loaded underneath this wig. And I feel like it just looks like a pineapple sticking up on top of my head sometimes. So I love that. Like, and I love pineapples, you know what I'm saying? So they're delicious. And then right here, I have soda water because on my weight loss journey, I fell in love with like the liqueurs, and I used to drink them all the time, like when I'm intermittent fasting late at night just to get me through the night. And that's like a great tip. And when I saw that, I was just like, give me that. I need that. You know what I'm saying? For my tree. So that was like my little bitty mini tour. What is your favorite thing to do for the holidays? For me, it is spending time with my family, you know, eating like Thanksgiving dinner, and because I have my tree up around Thanksgiving, and Christmas dinner, and just like making memories. Let me know down below. Yes, it's definitely attainable to make your small space stylish, comfortable, and festive for the holidays. You guys, let me know if you want an apartment tour, because I feel like my, what do you want to call it? I feel like my interior design skills are on point. You know what I'm saying? So let me know if you want the video. I do have a 2-bedroom apartment, 1 bath, and I love the way that I decorated it. So if you like this video about me showing you step by step on how to decorate your small space with the Christmas tree, then hit that thumbs up button right now, right now, because I'm gonna be coming through with all the good health and fitness, talking about that internal beauty exuding outwardly, because there's nothing about that internal beauty shining through for me. So subscribe, because guess what? I'm gonna keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming. Yes. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. And happy holidays. You are perfectly human. Yes, throw up them hearts. Perfect gang and no gang. Let's connect. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you tons. Please ask me any questions down below. Have a good day. These LED lights come with a remote, and it has 9 settings on it. Like, you could switch up the game. It's like colorful lights, white lights, flickering back and forth.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.